Android phone, Hubsan HT009, Hubsan Wi-Fi booster. Okay, my camera sucks on this. It's real grainy for some reason. Alright, well there's a light on, so maybe that'll help. Alright, so go and plug the drone in. We'll do that. Plug the drone in. This is the HT009. This is the h501a. Okay. Alright. Let me unlock the screen on my LG Fiesta. They both got 7.0 Android or whatever on it. Alright. Nougat, yeah, Nougat. Go to settings. Wi-Fi. Okay, Wi-Fi connected to the Hubsan. Alright. Click off of Wi-Fi if it'll let me. I hope I didn't lose my connection here. Alright, now go to the Hubsan. Where's she at? Hubsan. Come on, baby. I'm about as slow as a church mouse running from a fat cat. Enter device, enter main screen. Weak GPS signal. Alright, now it's telling me it wants me to do the dance. La da 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 da. I'm doing the dance with one hand and filming it with the other. I think I am. Alright, now to do the other dance. I'm filming it this way. I didn't film it doing it the other one. Oh, see, that ain't good to drop it. You mess the dance up. I'm retarded. Alright, stop. The lights is bounded. Come back over here. I hit the button. Dang it. Alright, it says, you must bind your current mobile device. Alright, okay. I'm binding my current mobile device. It hits next. Your GPS, my screen's so filthy, I can't tell. My GPS parameters of aircraft. Or you can skip it. Don't ever skip that. Alright, come on. Alright, hit OK. Alright, now cut the Bluetooth on. Alright. Go up here and hit the little star. Hit controller. Go over first and hit that. I've done it backwards. So go over and hit that. Then go over here and hit the star. That's hard. Oh, I got it on senior. Use the remote. Oh, it'll pull up the HT009 and I tap that and connect. My Bluetooth's connected. Okay. Alright. Now, click off that. Hit the center thing here. Go to settings. Where it's got Wi-Fi. And click on the Wi-Fi booster. The Wi-Fi booster. See, it's still showing orange. Alright. Alright, cut it off for a second and cut it back on where to pull it up. Okay, I don't know why it does that crap. Alright, here it comes. Hubsan HT005, that's the booster. Connect. Alright, it's connected. Go back to that. Click that off, click these other pages off. I got so many pages on. Alright, see, it says not connected. Alright, go over here where it says relay. Set up connection to aircraft. Same way as it did with the Bluetooth. Alright, there's the drone right there. Connect. Sometimes you have to refresh. Connect. Wi-Fi setup a success. Bam. Here it comes. There it goes. Alright. Bluetooth remote linked. And Wi-Fi booster linked. Since it won't fit on the phone, it's got a little spot there, and I got a little cheap camera tripod, so I'm going to put it on the tripod about 30 feet from me, then I'm going to fly with a Bluetooth remote. Alright, now, to show y'all that it does work, y'all going to have to be quiet now. I'm recording. Alright, let's see if I can do a takeoff. See, it's showing maps. But it is bound and everything, and there's